A few ways that you can use our new cropping tool. So the first is when you have stuff on your desktop that you don't want visible in your video. I've got my whole desktop here and my dock, and I don't really want people to see that, so I'm going to select the layer, then click crop, and then just remove all the parts that I don't want. So let's just bring that right up to the edges of Figma there, and now we're good to go. You can hit done, and then we can tweak the layout. So let's just go for this one here, maybe add some rounded corners, and that looks pretty cool. So in this example, I've got a monthly update video that I'm working on, and I'm just talking to a couple of bullet points that I've written in a Google Doc. This is a quick way for me to write down something and have that as a visual cue in the video. But I don't really want all this stuff in here, all my tabs, and even Google Docs. So I can just use the crop tool and then remove all that stuff, so it just ends up being this nice clean document. And that's an easy way to turn a page or a tab into something that looks quite neat and tidy. Now in this case, I've done this recording of Twitter, but I'm just actually talking about one part of the page here, which is this tweet with some good feedback. So I want to remove everything else so that I can focus the video just on that part. So I'm going to crop it up to there and here, and then we should be looking pretty good. Now we can adjust the layout again so that that looks a bit nicer, and that's a pretty cool effect.